Food crisis looms as traders threatens to shut markets over insecurity. Following the increasing level of insecurity compounded by the recent clash between the Hausa and Yoruba traders in Shasha Market in Akinyele local government area of Oyo State, the traders have threatened to close their shops against their customers. The traders, under the auspices of Amalgamated Union Foodstuff and Cattle Leaders of Nigeria, said on Thursday that they had at different meetings agreed to fix or to fight for the rights of their members. In a letter signed by its national chairman, Comrade Mohammed Tahir, a copy of which was made available to leadership on Friday, disclosed that the strike commenced on Thursday midnight. According to him, it is expected that every state would participate actively by shutting their operations. As you are aware that the Amalgamated Union of Foodstuff and Cattle Dealers of Nigeria held meetings at different places and agreed to fight for the rights of its members. We wish to write and notify you that the strike is commencing on Thursday, 25th of February 2021 by 12th might. You are expected to participate actively during the strike, he said. He explained that the 36 states of the Federation, including Federal Capital Territory (FCT), shall be responsible for the activities that will take place in the states by closing areas of doing business and blocking all the food exit points. It is also important to note that any member of the union that violates the instruction from the national headquarters by loading or offloading from any of the states shall be severely dealt with. It is also agreed that each state will provide 2 persons to act as supervisor and report their updates to the national headquarters periodically until further instructions are issued in this regard. It was gathered that during the period, all foodstuff from the northern part of the country would not be allowed into any market across the country. Thank you for listening to this news. You can see, this is what we are crying out for. Various sectors are closing up. Various departments are shutting down because of this crisis we are experiencing in Nigeria. You can see. Okay. Oh, if this happens, where do you expect Nigerians to go? How do you expect Nigerians to survive? Because the only 2 things that makes Nigerians to survive is food and water. Food and water. I know the men on top, the ministers, the commissioners, the president, chairman, all of them will not be affected because they have loaded their store with all the food stuff that they need. But as far our Redeemer liveth, they will all be exposed. They will all be exposed because they are the cause of this menace that we are facing. Look at it. Has been declared in all the markets across the states to shut down. This crisis started in Oyo, and now the shutting down of all the markets in Nigeria is now beginning from Oyo. and the instruction has just been given. And passed. So, and you know, these people, when they take their decisions, no going back. Makinde, the chief supporter of the herdsmen, hope you have heard now. This crisis began in your state. And instead of you to do something fast, you are supporting them. And even to date, you are still supporting. You can see the result of what you are supporting is about to cause. Hunger strike, severe one in Nigeria. If the governors of all the states love themselves, of all the 36 states love themselves, they should come together and find a lasting solution. Then call Buhari to order to put an end to this insecurity. Because the insecurity is affecting their business. They are no longer making profit like they used to make. What's the essence of going into business and at the end of the day, no profit will be made? What's the essence of going to business when you order for goods and on the way, while your goods is coming to you, you hear that the goods has just been thrown into the water in the process of escaping the bandits? Or what's the need that as a businessman you're expecting the goods and the bandits attacked and seized all the goods? What is the need? What is the need of being a businessman when you have the money to go into business but was hijacked and collected by the bandits? What is the need? That is why these people are saying that they want to close up. My dear, I'm afraid. TB Joshua's prophecy in 2013 about to come to pass. Traditional leaders also prophesied on this. And this prophecy of theirs about to come to pass. They warned this administration. They warned Buhari. They warned all the leaders to be careful. But look at, this is what they want to put us into. Only God Almighty is going to save us from this crisis that is about to loom. Food is a necessity in the life of human. And if allowed not to exist again, many will die. Many will die. Well, I put this up to you, my viewers, to also speak up. It concerns you because it's you and I that are suffering it. Deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.